everyone, this is Shima Walker, the manager of the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern. And how are you doing today? Me? I'm excited! And not because of Super Bowl, because my teams are not playing, and I'm rocking my Clovis, New Mexico Wildcats, Go Wildcats sweatshirt. But I'm excited because of all the great career opportunities that are available here in the Craven, Jones, and Pamlico area. So let's start off with the weekly job board. Here's just a very small list of all the great career opportunities here in the local area. Check them out. Now, we also have several companies here in the surrounding area who are looking for talent again like you. So why don't you check out their flyers? Now, if you want more information about a particular job that you saw or information about a particular employer, we encourage you to visit what? That's right, www.ncworks.gov. Again, this is a state website that you can go out there and you can search by location, you can search by employer, search by particular job or skill, and it's going to give you all the information you need. And another thing about our website, we verify every employer in our website, so you don't have to worry about scam employers. Now, if you have problems logging into NCWorks, you forgot your password, your email, please give us a call here at 252-514-4828, and we can help you reset your password. Now, if you're not in a local area, we encourage you to get in touch with your local career center. And last week, some of you asked, where's my local career center? How do I find my local career center? Then all you gotta do is go to the website, which is what? That's right, www.ncworks.gov. Now, we got a couple of things going on this week. This Wednesday from 10 to 1, Methodist Home for Children is hosting a hiring event right here at our career center, 2836 News Boulevard. So if you're interested in some of the positions that they're looking to fill, why don't you come out and talk to their team, find out more about what they do, and see how your skills can fit in with them. Also, we got another workshop this Friday, your 30-second elevator speech. How many people know is it very important that you know how to do a 30-second elevator speech? So that's taking place again this Friday from 9:30 to 10:30. So to all our active duty military, whether you're here at Camp Lejeune, Cherry Point, Seymour Johnson, Fort Bragg, no matter where you're at, whether you did a year or you did 30 years, whether you have an honorable discharge or you have an other than honorable discharge, we have staff who are dedicated to assist you. So as you're planning your transition, as you're planning on where you plan on relocating to, you, your family, your children, and as you're looking at where do you see yourself a year, 5 years, I encourage you to reach out to your local career center. Talk to their veteran staff. Find out what kind of opportunities are available right here, and then make your plan. Again, we have veterans in all forms of government, whether they work for the state, the city, or the county. We have veterans in our hospitals. We have military veterans who serve on so many different boards. Again, there are just so many great opportunities, and we want to make sure that you know about it. So as you're making your plans, guess what? You can see everything that's available to you and go from there. Again, we're here to assist you, and I encourage you, if you're not here in the local area, reach out to your local career center. Talk to that veteran staff. Find out what kind of careers are available before you pack up and relocate and just say, wait a minute, there ain't no jobs here. We can help you with that. Also, if you plan on relocating, we can connect you to that representative where you plan on relocating to, so you're not going back home or you're going to a city that has changed since the last time you were home. Again, that's why you have veteran staff found in the career centers to assist you. Now, in summary, we covered the weekly job board. Again, small list of all the great career opportunities that are available. We highlighted several companies that are looking for talent like you, so you need to reach out to them. We also talked about the importance of making sure that your NCWorks background is up to date and how you can find your local career center. And we also talked to all our active duty military who are planning on transitioning out the military, whether you did a year, 30 years, honorable discharge, other than honorable discharge. Just let you know there are great opportunities here in the great state of North Carolina, and you might just want to give them a check. Again, hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.